I made a video towards the end of December talking about why I thought UAMY, or United States Antimony Corporation, was a really good buy. And since then, the stock bounced from low to high about 150%. Now, I am still holding on to a good portion of my position in this stock, but on Friday, I did alert my private community and the people on X that I was going to be taking 20% of my position off of the table. Now, the main reason that we entered this position in the first place is because it was meeting both of our criteria. First and foremost, the monthly BX trender, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen, was showing buying pressure. Now, this is a weekly chart, but what this multi-time frame BX indicator is going to do is allow us to see what is happening on the monthly time frame while we're looking at a weekly chart. And this is going to allow us to know the macro buying pressure in the market and when we can be buying at a discount. So this is why we were buying inside of this bias, this market bias support, because we know that when price is at this market bias, it's trading at a discount level. And we know that when the monthly BX is green, we are in a bull market. Very simple. You want to be buying in a discount range and removing profits in a premium range. Now, since then, the stock, as we said, was up pretty significantly. And the main reason that I took about 20% of my profits off the table Friday was very simply because we started moving into an overpriced or premium territory. Now, you'll see that I'm going to turn on these weekly deviation bands, and these deviation bands are going to show us how far price will normally move before pulling back to fair value. So you'll see in most cases, price will hit this red band, pull back down to fair value. Price will hit this red band, pull back down, and continue to do this over and over and over. Now, there are some times where a stock just goes parabolic, right? We had this band back here in October, stock just continued to run another 100%. So this doesn't work to perfection, but it is going to give us a really good idea of what is considered overpriced and what is considered fair value. We do not want to be buying in overpriced territory. We want to be removing our exposure in those levels. So in most cases, when price hits this first band, I will remove some sort of profits off of the table. Normally about 20 to 50%. And in this case, I did 20. Main reason was because I believe that we are going to see a continued move up, and I don't want to remove my profits too soon. One of the things about our trading strategy that makes it so strong is the insane risk versus reward and the ability to hold on to these parabolic runners. So I don't want to be taking profits too soon because it could hurt our profitability long term. We don't make money off of being right 80-90% of the time. We make money off of these massive home runs and swings for the fences. So in this case, I'm still bullish on UAMY. I have taken some of my profits off the table. I will continue to hold on to the rest of my shares until we either come up into this $16 to $17 range. And if price pulls back maybe to $8, I might average into this trade again. But nothing has changed. Structurally, everything is fine. There has been a bit of a pullback, but that's going to happen. I hope this video helped. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you want access to the indicators that you see here, the link to our entire trading library and courses will be down in the description, all for free. You'll get access to the BX trender under step 1, smart money zones, volume profile, and that discount market bias under step 3. And you want to make sure that you sign up for all of those because they will be going away soon. I'm going to be reworking and redoing the entire free course library for 2026 within the next couple of weeks. So once these are gone, you will not be able to sign up for them in the future. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you tomorrow.